So delighted to take part in Glóramona's event tonight in my beloved Belfast. Very honoured to be speaking with Claire Daly, and the mood in the room, and I think, and the tone of our conversation, the content of our conversation is movement building.
Another powerful night at the Winter School here in Belfast. Amazing to be part of it. Privileged to have a conversation with Tógfaidh.
I am here today to speak in a panel with Glóramona, with amazing people in the panel and a beautiful audience.
We are no man's blushing bride.
Smisha Claire Mitchell. We just did a panel upstairs on Protestants and Irish unity. It was really good. It was very a hopeful panel. We talked a lot about how we all came to republicanism and talked about our kind of hopes and desires for the Irish unity movement. How it could make a new and kind of hopeful offer that really addresses the kind of environmental and social economic crisis that we're in right now.
They go hand in hand, destroying the land, you're destroying the people's ability to survive on the land. Yeah, and we are part of nature, so ecocide, and genocide is destroying our life support systems.
My name is Rory Rowan. I just participated in the panel there about Irish neutrality and the triple lock. And it's great to be part of something where we can make that contribution to real political education activities, where we're helping inform people and get them organised so they go out back into their communities and take what they learned in the session away with them.
My name's Scoil Gheimhridh, President of the Democracy Collaborative. It's been a great pleasure to be here with Glóramona, Trademark and others, seeing just the tremendous explosion of activity, energy, interest and development of community alternatives from the bottom up.
And says he there